Welcome back to the AVEEROS tutorial series. In today's session, we're going to build further on your system setup by exploring three key areas: 1. Configuration and localization settings, posting methods, user approval hierarchy, customizing formats for dates, currencies, and values. 2. Dashboard integration, enabling real-time summaries of your financial data. 3. Chart of accounts, creating a structured financial blueprint for your organization. Let's get started. 1. Configuration and localization settings. Under Setup, go to System Options. To access localization settings, go to Setup Localization. These settings allow you to tailor the system to your regional preferences, ensuring that everything from dates to currency displays matches your local standards. Date format. Choose from several international date formats. Month, day, year. Day, month, year. Year, month, day. This ensures consistency across transactions, reports, and official documents aligned with your country's compliance needs. Currency display. Next, you can configure how financial amounts are displayed. Set the number of decimal places, for example, 2 for cents. Define rounding rules. Choose thousand separators like commas, dots, or spaces. These settings apply system-wide, across accounts payable, accounts receivable, and tax modules. Precision settings. Just below currency settings, you'll find precision settings, which control numeric accuracy in different contexts. AP quantity precision. For decimal places on purchase invoice quantities, for example, 1.000 or 1.00. AP rate precision. Controls how unit prices or service rates are displayed. Tax precision. Ensures tax values are shown and calculated accurately. And remember, these settings can be updated later even after transactions have started. 2. Dashboard integration. Now, let's talk dashboards, your real-time window into business performance. AVEEROS dashboards provide instant insights into your financial health. They are modular. As you enable new modules, related dashboards appear automatically, like connecting building blocks. Primary dashboards include: Financial dashboard, shows general ledger balances, cash flow, and KPIs. Inventory dashboard, for users of supply chain management, tracks stock levels and valuation. Executive dashboard, a bird's-eye view across departments, ideal for decision makers. User access control. As an administrator, you can choose which dashboards are visible to which users. Simply check or uncheck the boxes next to each dashboard name, then click Save. This helps reduce clutter and keeps each user focused on what matters most to them. 3. Chart of accounts. Navigate to Setup General Ledger Chart of Accounts. Now onto the chart of accounts, the backbone of your financial structure. The hierarchy struck 1 tour. AVEEROS uses a 4-level hierarchy. Level 1, groups. These are the main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, expenses. Level 2, subgroups, provide further classification, like current assets, non-current liabilities, cost of goods sold. Level 3, control accounts, examples include cash and bank, accounts payable, sales revenue. These accounts summarize activity for reconciliations and reporting. Level 4, detail accounts, the most specific accounts where transactions are actually posted. Only Level 4 accounts accept transactions, and they roll up into their parent groups for consolidated reporting. Creating a test account. Let's walk through creating a new account. 1. Go to Setup General Ledger Summary Accounts. Click Summary Accounts. 2. Click Add New. 3. Enter the account code, for example, 5700. 4. Enter the account name like dummy account. 5. Select the parent group, in this case, expenses. 6. Click Save. You'll now see this account in your chart of accounts, ready for use in transactions and reports. Understanding the numbering, a practical example. Let's reinforce the hierarchy using a practical example. Level 1, expenses. Level 2, administrative expenses, for example, any 52XX series. Level 3, salaries and wages 5201. Level 4, Director Remuneration 5201.001. This structure ensures that your reports are well organized, readable, and audit-ready. A quick word on numbering conventions. Always plan your account codes with future growth in mind. A logical, scalable numbering system makes reporting easier, simplifies audits, and keeps your chart of accounts clean as your business evolves. Summary of today's session. Let's recap what we covered: localization settings, customizing regional formats and precision. Dashboard integration, activating real-time, role-specific business insights. Chart of accounts, building a flexible, hierarchical financial structure. What next? In the next session, we'll explore advanced configurations including account segments, general codes, document numbering formats. Thanks for joining us today and see you in the next tutorial.